Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Monopoly, and welcome to Metaverse. Now we are back, and it's actually been 2-3 weeks. Oh my goodness, had been having a lot of computer issues, but no worries, we are back on track, and we are looking at the cryptocurrency market. And as always, when I upload, we are dumping, so buy the dip. If you have any left for the dip, Bitcoin currently at $67,000. Actually broke over previous all-time highs, so sorry, a little late to the party. Ethereum at $3,500, and a bunch of other coins like Cardano, 65 cents. Still not moving. But one thing that has changed is that Solana has actually been pumping like crazy, and we'll talk about why specifically in a bit. But yeah, currently at $200. But before we go into that chart, let's get the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin went up as high as 73, 74, I believe, $1,000, which is pretty high. So congratulations to everybody that suffered through the red bear market. Strong survivors. And yeah, let's try not to hold the bag this time. But yeah, basically Bitcoin right now just kind of testing in price discovery mode right now, and everyone's just kind of wondering what kind of price we're going to see before the halving. I was expecting 50k, but we're well above that, so honestly, like, at this price would be fine. 80k would be like mega super cycle, but you can never know unless once the Bitcoin halving comes by. But yeah, like I mentioned before, top meme coins, that's basically what's been booming, actually been triggering the bull market in my opinion. So we got Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Pepe, we got WIF. This one's been a big popular one, $2.7 billion market cap. Oh my goodness. Got Floki, Bonk, and then there's a brand new one that just released, Book of Meme. It closed over a $1 billion in market cap, and I honestly believe at this point there's just too many meme coins out there. But maybe we need one more. Anyways, yeah, let's go on to the Solana price. And yeah, it's been on a tear lately, up over 813%. And getting close to previous all-time highs. All-time highs was at $250, so it's kind of crazy how we're hitting some of these levels even before the halving. So the cycle's just kind of all over the place. No one really knows what's going on, and yeah, so we're gonna pump super great in 2025, or the bull market's gonna be over before anybody can blink. But speaking of Bitcoin, MicroStrategy raising over $500 million to want to buy more Bitcoin, after BlackRock's kind of like overtaken MicroStrategy within just a couple months or something, after their, MicroStrategy's been, accumulating for the past 4 years. It's kind of crazy to believe how fast BlackRock and all these other big entities are purchasing Bitcoin. And this, you're going to see a lot coming into next year. People forecasting 150K, 250K, 500K, $1 million. Which inevitably will be possible, just a matter of when, not if. But yeah, you're gonna see a lot of crazy price targets. I'm personally, like I said, eyeing the 100k Bitcoin. After that, just start DCing into profits or whatever you want to do from there. And my financial advice. But yeah, if you think it could go up to 150 to 250k, then just don't be left holding the bag. You're gonna go through another 3 years of the bear market, but that's up to you. But yeah, primarily, like I said, meme coins have been gone out tear lately. Solana specifically with Book of Meme, all these other tokens, and yeah, a lot of people doing pre-sales, and it's just crazy. The Sphere of Dog with Hat that's supposedly going to be launching and posting on the Sphere in Vegas, but that's kind of the stuff you see when you're at the top, so kind of scary. But anyways, back to the Bitcoin halving. We're under 5,000 blocks remaining. April 20th is estimated for the Bitcoin halving. I honestly think this might be a little bit closer or earlier, just because of the fact I feel like all miners are gonna turn on their computers on max overdrive just to get the last bit of Bitcoin they can receive. 6 Bitcoin is the current reward. It's gonna be chopped down in half to 3. So I feel like they're gonna be just processing just as much power as possible to get the last remaining little bit of rewards before they get cut in half, and then into being more expensive to get more Bitcoin. But yeah, that's currently what we're looking at right now, and I don't know, you guys tell me, what have you been looking forward to? Are you already taking profits, or did you just buy in? Comment down below, let me know. Make sure to give me a follow on Twitter, because we got something really great coming up. Not gonna say much details, but just know April 1st 2024 is gonna be a crazy year. But other than that, thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.